Give your home the distinction of a custom design statement with Clopay's Reserve Collection wood carriage house door line. Hand-built by craftsmen using premium woods harvested from sustainable and naturally fallen forestry. Clopay can custom build any door you can imagine using the species of your choice, or you can choose from up to 8 historically accurate carriage house designs offered in the semi-customer limited edition series. This custom designed Meranti door looks like it should swing open, but it actually operates with the convenience of an automatic overhead opener. The addition of a decorative seated window glass and wrought iron hardware enhance the historic charm. Now, a real benefit to Clopay's custom wood door line is the added layer of polystyrene insulation. It's built into the door. The 4 or 5 layer door is almost 3 inches thick. Proper finishing is critical to the longevity of a wood door, and Clopay uses a multi-step process to achieve a furniture quality finish worthy of the most discriminating close-ups. Doors and windows are sanded, caulked, and finished on all 6 sides under controlled conditions using Sikken Cetol wood finish and stain, which is the highest quality and the most durable exterior stain finish system available. Your door arrives ready to install, eliminating any delays or concerns about contractors in the field. Browse the Reserve Collection image gallery for more wood door inspiration.